Hello everyone, I'm Areena. I'm a mother of two and I work at Bridge Learning. Bridge Learning is a social enterprise that helps children with learning difficulties. I was with the Ministry of Education. I help children with learning, social, emotional, communication, and behavior difficulties. I love my job a lot. I find it very meaningful because I help children together with my team, training the adults and to expand the team so that more people can be equipped to help this group of children. In the twinkling of eyes, it's like 18 years that I've been doing this. I have two lovely daughters whom I'm very blessed with. One thing that happened is after my pregnancy and childbirth, my health was very affected. I actually did not have enough rest because I have a lot of responsibilities to handle plus young kids. And what happened is that it caused my health to actually be on decline after my second delivery. What happened is that I started to put on a lot of weight even if I don't eat anything much. And I experienced chronic fatigue, and I actually feel always tired no matter how much I rest, and I just feel that my mood regulation is going down and going to depression and anxiety. I find it affecting my work and also affecting my life as a whole, and of course my role as a mother. I drank for 3 years and finally one day my health just collapsed and I just couldn't work for 6 months. It happened that my friend actually introduced me to Aimin, where I go to get help because I believe in the ancient wisdom of TCM. I'm sure there's a lot of things there that we can harness to actually improve our immunity and our health and quality of life. So I went to Aimin and it was a very good environment. People, and I really love it that Aimin is about health first. It's about 健康美 rather than it's about how slim you are and so on. Yeah.
我是谢医师，我是从2005年底加入爱民，工作到今天。临床上我主要从事的是健康的体重管理，还有脾胃病和妇科以及软组织损伤的针灸推拿的治疗。瑞娜刚刚来的时候，她主要诉求是要减肥，她觉得自己的身体很胖，然后腰围这边很肿，所以我们就跟她聊天了之后，发现她有就是气机方面的问题，就是整体的气机不顺畅，呼吸很浅短，人也很疲乏。所以我建议他暂时先不要做减肥这方面，我们从先调理他的气机开始，就是他平时工作压力挺大的，然后对自己的要求也很高。我问他你有压力吗？他说没有。其实他这种压力是来自于他心理的一种压力，无形的，所以他还是有肝气郁结这一块，所以我就先从针灸疏通他的肝气，让他的肝气比较调达。治疗了一段时间过后呢，他就觉得他的睡眠有所改善了，然后他的脏器都比较好，他睡得好了，他自然他就觉得有点瘦了这就是整体的气机调畅了过后，他的身体状况恢复的比较好一点，然后他就慢慢的会瘦下来。
我是爱民减肥中心的治疗师，我叫连燕。我是2014年加入爱民的，到今天差不多有6个年头了。在爱民我为顾客做的一些项目都是像2R刮痧、经络推拿、卵巢护理这些。瑞娜刚刚来我们爱民的时候因为她是一个职业女性，她的压力比较重，身体水肿比较厉害，而且她的睡眠质量很差。她头来我们爱民的时候，我们有给她做一个刮痧的治疗，因为刮痧是封我们的脂肪，但是刮痧同时是一个全身的淋巴排毒。排毒的时候，它会把我们身体的体内的湿气、热气排出体外，这样你会感觉你身体比较轻松。之后呢，我们有给她做背部的经络推拿，因为背部经络推拿是运行我们周身气血的，周身的气血通畅了，自然而然你在晚上睡眠的时候，你会是一个很放松的这么一个状态。
Oh yes, I really love the VK a lot. because after the acupuncture and the guasa and the tuina, right, they actually apply this special herbal mask over my body, over where my zigong is and where my tummy is. It really helps in warming up my body and it really helped me to sleep down, to improve my mood regulation, my energy level, and my fatigue really went down. After I actually have the VCare with the herbal mask thing, where improved the blood circulation a lot, and my keloid actually became smoother, and it's almost flat. I really am very grateful to Aimin. That's why I'm doing this. That it really helps in my health, and actually I slim down. I'm so happy that I'm energized now. I mean, I can handle my work now and handle my family. Yeah. I really hope that the mothers will be more self-aware if they are going to depression or anxiety mode, and so that they are more self-aware and so that they can seek help only because help is available.